guys, it's been a while. I am here with a new update, and if you follow me on Twitter, you may have seen that it was my goal to fill up this jar during July, but you know, things never go as planned. It's not full, but I would say there's a good amount of charms in here, so I thought we could take a look at them together and start fresh for August. Let's start with the stuff you've already seen. I did a video on these ice cream charms where I just kind of sat down and said, hey, I want to make some cute ice creams, and this is what I came up with. They were supposed to be kind of sherbety, but I don't know, what do you guys think? I'm really happy with this one and this one, and I still don't know if that's a cupcake or ice cream, like sundae cup, but anyway, there are my ice creams. Here are the next charms. You may have seen these as well. I did a Sailor Moon collab with my friend Tuxedo Unmasked, and it was his first time doing resin. We had a lot of fun crafting together. These are the two charms that I made. This is Sailor Mercury, of course, and this is kind of a original, though the colors do remind me of Sailor Saturn, and of course the compact. And a shameless plug, all these bezels are from Miniature Sweets, so you can check them out if you want any of them. Next, I have some fairy charms here. For a hot second, I thought that I wanted to open up a shop and sell my charms, and I still might in the future, but right now I think creating videos and there's another project I'm working on. That's gonna be my priority for now. But in the future, I may sell some of my charms, so if there's any that you like, maybe let me know. Here are some cute fairy charms. I did purple, pink, and teal or turquoise. The main reason I made these was because I have a lot of bronze bezels because I was really into the bronze color scheme for the longest time. Now I really like the golds and silvers, but I thought, hey, I should use my old bezels because I have, oops, a bunch of them. Next, this is kind of a sneak peek. This is going to be a video coming out later this week, but I made some really cute unicorn charms, and I'll talk about them more in the video, but I really love how they turned out. Next, I have some shrink plastic charms. Here I have Gelatoni, who is a friend of Duffy, and Cookie, who is a new friend of Duffy, and Cookie's a dog from Hong Kong. Since Cookie came out, there's a new turtle friend named Olu, and he's from Aulani, Hawaii. These are the two I made. I really like how they turned out. I got some new colored pencils actually, and they're the Tombow brand, and they are super pastel and really pretty. Next, I have some Ufufi charms, and I really like how these turned out. I did the outline in colored pencil, and then I shrunk the plastic, and then I painted the back with acrylics, and you get an even color. And of course, I domed all these with resin, a little bit of glitter. I also have Stitch, Cheshire, and Marie. Finally, I just have some random pieces here. I got some new pearl chalk pastels, and they are gorgeous. I don't know if you can tell, but this is all chalk pastel. I think some of it does come off when I run my finger over it, so they do need to be sealed. And then I was testing out one of my new molds from Miniature Sweet, and it was kind of like a frame bezel mold where you can make your own bezels. And then I'm not going to show you everything in here, but I have a little kind of scrap cup that I used for my previous video, and I was testing out different colors and stuff. And then this, a lot of you guys ask what I do with, like, you know, the leftover resin like on my mats and like in the cups. I have a tiny star mold that I got from Miniature Sweet. I use them to, you know, decorate pieces or like make little shakers, and they're actually really handy. That was my July update. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know in the comments down below which charm you like the best, and let me know what projects you have been working on. I'm going to try very hard in August to fill up this jar. And I hope you guys will subscribe if you are not already. I'm going to have some community tab exclusive content. And of course you can click, you know, on the community tab on my channel page. But if you're subscribed, it will show up in your feed, hopefully. And that is all. So I'll see you next time. Bye!